Hello everyone, myself Dipti Sohani from Tiak Nagar Junior College Domili East. Today we are going to start with the actual problem of admission of partner. Let's begin with the problem of admission of partner. The balance sheet of Sujata and Purnima, who share profits equally, was as follows. So this information gives you that this is a partnership of Sujata and Purnima. These are the old partners and they share profits equally. That means the ratio of sharing profit and losses is equal. Now let's read the balance sheet. Liabilities side, capital of Sujata and Purnima is given 1 lakh and 1 lakh 40,000 respectively. Creditors, bills payable. Then asset side, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, sundry debtors, stock and cash. This is the balance sheet which was given on 31st March 2018. Now on 1st April 2018, Aparna joins the firm as a third partner. That means Aparna is a new person or a new partner who is going to join Sujata and Purnima's partnership. Who is ready? Aparna is ready to take a share up to 1/5 of future profit on the following terms and conditions. Following are the terms and conditions, that is nothing but the additional information which is provided. So first information is goodwill is valued at rupees 2 lakh. Aparna is to bring her share of goodwill in cash. That means the total value of goodwill is 2 lakh and Aparna's share, that is 1/5. She is taking 1/5 share. So 1/5 share of 2 lakh is 40,000. So she brings 40,000 as a goodwill in cash. So here you have to make an entry like cash comes in. So cash account debit to goodwill account 40,000. Now second is Aparna is to bring rupees 1 lakh as capital. So Aparna is a new partner. She brings capital and nothing is given. So we have assumed that 1 lakh is conducted in form of cash only. So the journal entry is cash account debit to Aparna's capital account. You can make the journal entry in combined form like cash account debit to goodwill to Aparna's capital. You can make a combined entry also. Now C, a provision of 10% is to be created on sundry debtors. That means sundry debtors are reduced by 10% as provision of 10% is created. That means RDD is created. So debtors value get reduced. Debtors are the assets of the firm and that assets get reduced. So that is to be recorded in revaluation account. In earlier video we have discussed about revaluation account and how you will record that reduction as well as increase in asset. So here they have given that 10% provision is created on debtors. So debtors are going to reduce by 10%. So debtors total value is 26,000. 26,000's 10% is 2,600. That means debtors are reduced by rupees 2,600. Now what is the journal entry? Debtors are the assets and decrease in asset. So you have to make an entry in such a way that asset has a originally debit balance. So to reduce that balance you have to give credit balance to the asset. That means 2 debtors or we can say 2 RDD is fixed. So debit is given to the revaluation account. So revaluation account debit to 10% or we can say to RDD account. That is the journal entry. D is land and building is to be valued at rupees 80,000. Now you have to make comparison with land and buildings value in balance sheet with additional information. So land and building in balance sheet is rupees 60,000 and now it is valued at 80,000. That means there is a increase of 20,000. So now you have to increase the value of asset. asset has originally debit balance and you want to increase that, so again you have to give debit balance to the asset. So here the journal entry is land and building account debit to revaluation account. Now fifth additional information is stocks. One comma is missing here. Stocks, plant and machinery is to be reduced by 20%. That means stock as well as plant and machinery both are the assets which are reduced by 20%. So here is again decrease in the asset. So originally asset has debit balance, so give them credit balance to reduce the amount. So entry is revaluation account debit to stock and revaluation account debit to plant and machinery. This is a separate entry. You can make a combined entry also. Revaluation account debit to stock, to plant and machinery, to RDD. You can make a combined of reduction in asset. Otherwise make a separate entry. So value of stock is now 40,000 of 20% of 40,000 is rupees 8,000. So stock is reduced by 8,000. And machinery value is 70,000 which is reduced by 20%. So 20% of 70,000 is 14,000. So these are the effect of your additional information and which is given in revaluation account. Now your journal entries are done. Only one entry, that is the profit or loss in revaluation account transferred to capital account, is missing. And for that purpose we have to make some working note. We are discuss on that later, but I am going to show you the journal entries. These are the journal entries. So cash account debit to Aparna's capital to goodwill. This is a combined entry. You can make a separate entry also. Then goodwill 40,000 is, always remember that whatever share of goodwill which is taken by a new partner is distributed among old partners. So this is our second entry in which goodwill account is debited for 40,000 to Sujata's capital account, to Purnima's capital account, and this goodwill is we can say distributed in the ratio of your old partner sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. For 40,000 divided into 20,000, 20,000, equal share is there. Now revaluation to RTD, to stock, to plant and machinery, that I have already told you. Land and building to revaluation, this is also done. Now this is the last entry which are pending, and that is depend on our working note. So let's start with the working note. Working note. Here first working note is about the cash in hand which is to be written in balance sheet. So cash in hand, old balance sheet has a 80,000 balance plus 1,40,000 is bring by the Aparna, that is the new partner. So now total cash available is 2,20,000. So while doing balance sheet you have to note cash in hand as 2,20,000. Second working note is related to our revaluation account. So here revaluation account is prepared. It's just like a ledger. So debit credit balances or debit credit side is noted, and here revaluation account debit to RDD, to stock, to plant and machinery, this is to be posted, and land and building to revaluation, this journal entry is posted on credit side. Now all the effects of additional information and journal entry is given. So you have to calculate the balances of revaluation account, that is either profit or loss. So here you can see that debit side is heavier than credit side. Debit side total is 24,600 and credit side is only 20,000. So there is a loss of rupees 4,600. This 4,600 loss is distributed among old partners, that is by Sujata's capital account and by Purnima's capital account, and the amount is equal because their sharing ratio is equal. So here 2,300 loss is noted in revaluation account. Now third working note related to partners capital account. So here is another working note which has same debit credit side is noted, or debit credit side is given, and Sujata, Purnima and Aparna, 3 columns are to be drawn. So let's begin with the partners capital account. By balance brought down, I am going from credit side. By balance brought down, this is a 1 lakh of Sujata and 1,40,000 of Purnima. This balance is available in your old balance sheet. So that is to be carried in capital account. Second entry is by cash, that is 1 lakh rupees capital which is bring by Aparna is noted here. That is cash account debit to Aparna's capital account. 1 lakh is posted here. Now by goodwill account, this is a second entry we have done here. Second entry, goodwill account debit to Sujata's capital to Purnima's capital. That means Aparna bring 40,000 as a goodwill. So one entry is cash account debit to goodwill account 40,000, and now goodwill account is tallied by transferring 20,000 to Sujata and Purnima, and goodwill account get tallied. So this is the effect of second journal entry which is given in capital account. That is by goodwill 20,000 Sujata and by Purnima 20,000. Now let's begin with the debit side. Partners capital account debit to revaluation account, that is the loss given in debit side 2,300. Now all the postings are done, so we are going to balance the account. So taking the credit total first, that is 1,20,000 Sujata, 1,60,000 Purnima and 1 lakh Aparna, and less that 2,300 respectively from Sujata's account and Purnima's account, and you will find the balancing amount, that is 1,17,700, 1,57,700 and 1 lakh out of the capital of partners. Now once that balances are getting, we are transferring these balances to the balance sheet. So let's begin with the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. So started with liability side, creditors and bills payable, these amounts are from your balance sheet. Capitals, Sujata, Purnima and Aparna, these amounts are arrived in partners capital account. These amounts are available in your partners capital account. Balances are there, these are the closing balances which are written on. And after that we are going in asset side. So cash in hand, this is the working note number 1. Total amount is 2,20,000. Sundry debtors less RDD 2,600. One effect is in the revaluation 2,600. Amount is deducted from debtors and we are receiving 23,400. Then stock of 40,000 less decreased, 20% is decreased, so 8,000 is deducted from 40,000. Furniture, nothing is changed, so as it is 24,000 is noted. Land and building 60,000. Add appreciation, one effect is in revaluation and second effect is in balance sheet. And last one is plant and machinery 70,000 less depreciation, that is deducted 20% and we are getting 56,000. And this is a total of balance sheet which is tallied on 4,35,400. This is the problem of admission. In admission of partner, you have to prepare revaluation account. Sometimes they are asking you journal entries only and balance sheet, or maybe journal entries in or partnership capital. Anything can be asked. So this is all about the admission of partner. Revaluation account is there, working notes are there, journal entries are there, and even balance sheet is also asked in the problem. So accordingly requests are given, or whatever they have asked in the exam, prepare accordingly. Thank you.